Hello everyone. In this video we will show you how to configure Lycia through an example of setting up the database connection. By default, Lycia is fully configured and is ready to work out of the box. At the same time, it is highly configurable and can be easily customized to adopt your existing development or production infrastructure. Custom configuration of Lycia is performed by setting and changing the necessary environment variables and configuration files. To configure Lycia or its separate components, you need to study the default configuration files and learn how environment variables will influence the necessary processes. Change the necessary configuration files to include or exclude environment variables and their values. Check whether the necessary result was achieved. Configuration files are used for configuring look and behavior of your programs and applications at different stages of their development and usage. Lycia configuration files can be roughly divided into three groups. Files influencing compilation time, files influences runtime, and general files, files influencing both compilation and runtime. Environment variables are specific configurations that affect the way how programs behave at compilation and how applications behave when they are run. Lycia supports different environment variables. Environment variables influencing runtime appearance and behavior, database environment variables that specify the location of configuration files, environment variables that specify the location of resources and libraries, environment variables used for debugging, environment variables used for converting classing forms, informative environment variables. In this video, we will show you how to work with database environment variables. As you know, with Lycia, you can work with several databases including Informix, Oracle, SQL Server, etc. There is a number of environment variables that are required to set up the database connection. These environment variables must be set both for the compilation and runtime. If they are not set for compilation, your program will not compile, and if they are not set for runtime, your compilation will not run. Here is a simple program that is used for checking the database connection. As you can see it here, this program needs the database called CanDoDB connection to compilate and for runtime. Let us try to build this program and see what happens. As you can see, the build failed with 4 errors. Here we can have a look at the errors. To be able to connect to a database at compilation time, you must set the necessary environment variables in the file called env.properties. Env.properties is a Lycia compilation file that contains environment variables used to program compilation in Lycia Studio. By default, Lycia Studio doesn't need any additional configuration, but as our program requires the database connection, we must set it. This configuration file is created in a very simple way, and that can be edited in your favorite text editor. There is an algorithm by which Lycia looks for its configuration files. This algorithm includes default locations where Lycia looks at the first place. The main of these default locations is the opt Querix Lycia folder, where we will create our end.properties file. Then we will need to insert Informix connect environment variables. These are the environment variables necessary to establish the connection to the Informix database. Informix dir specifies the directory that contains subdirectories in which your Informix product files are installed. Informix server specifies the default database server to which an explicit or implicit connection is made by an SQL API client, the .db access utility, or another IBM Informix product. Path specifies the paths to search for programs or shared libraries on Windows or binary executable files on Linux. LD library path specifies the paths to search for shared libraries on Unix platforms. Client locale specifies the language, territory, and code set that the client application uses in I/O operations and user formats, and processing ESQL statements. dbDate specifies the end-user format for that date values. After all variables have been set, we save the file. Now we have to restart Lycia Studio so that the changes are applied. Now, as we have created the end.properties configuration file and set all the necessary variables, let us rebuild our program. As you can see, the program has been built successfully. Let us try to run it. Even though the compilation was successful, at runtime we have an error that database driver could not be loaded. This error has occurred because we hadn't configured the database connection for runtime. There is another configuration file called inet.env. inet.env is a Lycia configuration file that contains environment variables used at runtime when running applications via Lycia desktop and Lycia web. By default, inet.env is not created during the installation and is not required for running applications. However, you must create it and configure it, for example, if you plan to debug your applications, if you need the compatibility mode, or, as in our example, your application requires connection to a database. inet.env can be created from Lycia Studio. You should go to Window, Preferences, 4GL, Run Debug, Application Server. Select the default application server instance and press Edit Environment. As you can see, the inet.env file is created and it is empty. Now we have to populate it with the same environment variables that were used for compilation and add two new ones. Long name that specifies the username valid on Informix database server, and Informix pass that specifies the password valid on Informix database server. After all the environment variables have been added, we can save the file and rerun our connectivity test. As you can see, the database connection is established and the application is successfully run. All other configuration files and environment variables are set in the same way according to the same algorithm. However, when you work with customly configured applications, it is necessary that you understand how they are configured and how this additional configuration will influence their behavior. That is why, before you start configuring Lycia, we recommend you to thoroughly read and comprehend the part of Lycia documentation devoted to configuration files and environment variables. You can find this information in Lycia online documentation, which you can find in Querix.com website. We will briefly guide you through these pages right here. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching.